All right, what I think is going to happen with ULCC. Now, futures are jumping big. We're up 1% on tariffs being blocked by U.S. courts. Now, let's look at where 4 weeks. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 looking back. So, that would put this 427 back in 2023. 1, 2, 3, 4. This was a little bit higher. This was at 455. Look where we're at now. I'm counting this as a low. Now, this was the first green candle, but this low, this hammer. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're at 423. And look how we've crossed over. We're going up, and now we're almost at 20, leaving the very overbought zone, of course, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, climbing out of that. So I like how we're moving here. Look at these big U recoveries on the weekly chart. All weekly. High, short, low, buy. I mean, it's as simple as that. Now, anything can happen. It doesn't mean this is going to just go just like this or this. And it could even drop, go back down here again and test. Something happens in the market. But you're looking strong here. Daily chart, we're in an uptrend now. We came out of the downtrend. You can see right here, we're going up. We had that call 3 to 450. Went below 375. Now we're coming up. Now today was a red day, but futures jumping. This should go back to 425 at least tomorrow. Maybe 450. And, my immediate target is going to be like 5 until we hit this line and see what happens if there's a pullback. Because we're playing right now these lines and it's working that way. You have a crossover on stochastics. Monthly chart on this. First green at the bottom of a move is always important. Look at that, all red, first green. All red, first green. It looks like it's going to stay green for the month of May. You're at 14.19, still coming down strong. We don't have a crossover yet, but if the next one's pretty good too, then you'll probably get a crossover down here on ULCC. So everything's rising. So this creates more issues though. If the U.S. court blocks tariffs, Trump is just not going to let that happen. He's going to fight this. This is his whole thing in office right now. It's, bringing back jobs here, tariffs, making even playing field for the U.S. So this will be interesting. Now, longer term in this too, let's take a look at this. So on that 8 weeks move, this is the daily chart now. We went up, went back to 8 from low 3, went to 3 to 7 before, it's chopped around. See this right here? And then we went even higher. There's a lot of room up here to 850. Now, that could be longer term. This might be till the end of the year. If the market just keeps climbing, we look pretty good. Short term, I like 5. And then I do like around that 650 area going back to here. Because look at here on the 2024 move. We're at 8, went down to 7. And now, next move at least be 650. If you're going by back testing here. So something in that range. So looking very good here. Of course, too, anything with the airline specifically itself that could change things. And ULCC Frontier, if something happens with them, or good or bad. So you got to watch for that. All right, so check it out. ULCC. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Mike J Trades on X. Mike Heyman Trades on Instagram. Rumble. What else do I have? Of course, TikTok, Facebook. Just check it all out. YouTube.